Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. So first of all, just open up Google Chrome. Then make sure you're not logged into multiple Gmail accounts, because if you are, then Google thinks it's kind of a suspicious activity, and then they ask for your verification, since you can only create a few number of accounts on the same phone or the same IP address. So let's just create a new incognito window and type in create Google account. Now click on for myself, type in your first name, then put in your birth date. Select your gender and then select an @ which you will be using. Then type in your password. Now if it is asking for you for a number, then there's a way for you to verify your number without actually giving your real number. So you'll have to find a website like this one where you can receive free SMS on a random number. So you just have to copy the number, put it over here, and then just click on next. But this usually does not appear if you do not have multiple Gmail accounts logged in. So make sure they are not logged in. The usual time period is 3 days. Like if you do not make a new account for 3 days and you only have one account logged in, they usually won't ask you for your phone number. But if they do, then you can come into a website like this where you can find a free number and then just use it to verify yourself. That's how you create a Google account without a phone number. Thank you for watching and make sure to leave a like.